fruit juice, it could be your energy drink, your banana and figs or whatever. It should be timed within 5 minutes. Why within 5 minutes is your glycogen stores will depend on it. It is like a hot stove, it just wants food. When you see, many times when you're traveling, you would have seen that you're traveling, you're somewhere feeling hungry, then you feel very hungry. Then after a point, you stop feeling the hunger. Why? It's because the acidity takes over and it suppresses your hunger. So as much as possible, don't allow that suppression to happen. Your hunger is a very vital part of your cleaning. You feel hunger, you're in good form. Good. So within 5 minutes, try to time it. Just make a quick. Just time it in such a way that your snacks are kept in the finish line, or you carry your bag, something like that. Banana, figs, energy drink, fruit juice, sports drink, everything. Then within half an hour after the race, carbohydrate protein combination of 4:1. I'm repeating it within half an hour. It has to be in your bag, ready, taken. So within, you have just had your sports drink, within half an hour you do not feel like eating, please force yourself to eat. And this I am going to give you, I would suggest that liquid form. Why? Because you do not feel the appetite. I would suggest on the day of the event, I put a post in wellness for that reason itself, wherein liquids, your body is more capable of receiving liquids on that day. Have everything in liquids form.
Whey protein,
all of them. But again, I tell you, this one within half an hour, it is the carbohydrate protein combination, a liquid. Why do you need carbs now? Why? Mainly because your body is in such an inflamed state, it cannot break down the protein. See, always to break down something, there is energy spent. So that your carbs will give you, and it helps in the breakdown of your protein. So as much as possible, 4 parts of carbs and 1 part of protein. We are not doing measurements here. Andazli we are talking about it. Here, banana milkshake, fruit nut milkshake, any of those, your figs, your almonds. I would suggest as much as possible try to use almonds rather than the other nuts. Almonds is the only thing which is alkaline, rest all nuts are acidic. At this stage, do not try to take the one because already it is in the inflamed state. So we are trying to put out the fire. Basically, the intention is to put out the fire. Energy drinks, sports drinks, fruit juice, that is all in the first one. This is your banana milkshake, fruit nut milkshake, fruit smoothie, powdered poha, very economical one. Powdered poha with nuts and curd. You powder your poha, soak it in the curd, you put your almond meal in it and shake it up and keep it. Drink it up immediately after. Why we are taking poha? It's already processed, it takes less time to cook. So immediately, post run, you are going to take everything which is simple to eat. So your poha will get easily absorbed. And your combination, your 4 scoops of your poha powder, 1 scoop of your nut meal. So you got to mash also right. And curd, literally a cooling of your stomach. So with the curd, you will feel like drinking a smoothie. So that's a very simple economical thing which you can carry, by the way.
These lean proteins.
Yeah, all of them. Try to get it in your. This is exclusive protein. I would not suggest. I would suggest you have a carb and a protein. Whatever protein you are having, your whey protein or whatever, have a carb source along with it. A banana and this one would be a better thing. Try to combine it because your body is very bound up. For it to break down your protein also, it will need some energy. So as much as possible, try to have a carb source. Otherwise, this one, moong dal khir. It's a very non-sports drink. It's very thin, but I'll tell you from the nutrition perspective, it is very mild on the stomach. Your moong dal is what is introduced to babies very early. Before your tur dal is introduced, this one is introduced. You will just have to put your coconut and your moong, pressure cook it. This is little later, so you're really not waking up the society. So you buy coconut. Coconut is alkaline, and in an inflamed state, it helps. Coconut oil, coconut meat, anything. It helps healing the insides. anything for heating. Basically, it's fruit also. When you apply coconut oil, as compared to anything else, it heals faster. Okay, so you just pressure cook your moong dal and your coconut together and add your milk or grate or whatever. Put it in a thing, keep it in the fridge. Take it the next day and pack it in your bag. This is all economical sports drinks. Yellow moong dal.
Soul's Kitchen Fund. Next.
Actually, you this will work out well even for the children who are wanting to it's much milder on the stomach. We are trying to reduce the inflammation. The key thing is trying to reduce the inflammation. Okay. For the non-vegetarians, it is no, that is for fat. That would be ideal.